Okay, so this is going to be a quick little video on how to correctly pack a bearing. And this right here, this is a bearing packer. And the way this goes together is, this is the bottom, and you have your zerk fitting where the grease is going to come through and come out the hole. So you're going to thread this up through the bottom. You're going to thread it all the way through until you see the hole down here. And then you're going to take your bearing and you're going to place it on there. Put the top on. That till it's hand tight. Now you're gonna take your grease gun and you're gonna pump it up with the grease. It helps if you actually have grease in your grease gun. As you notice, I didn't get any grease coming out of there, so I had to put a new tube of grease in. Okay, now that the grease gun is filled, you're going to pump it up with grease. See, the grease is starting to come through. And that's how you grease a bearing. And that's so simple. It's pretty much all that. I did 5 bearings in a couple minutes, and they're nice and greased all the way through. So that's a bearing packer, and that's how to use it. Really simple. Go ahead. I hope you guys enjoy, subscribe. I'll see you later on the next project. Bye.